Beloved Hazur, Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuhu.
Alaikum salam.
My name is Amtul Kafi Turju, and my question to Hazur is: it is said that in Hadith that a person who drowns becomes a shaheed. Why is it so, and does it apply to everybody?
You see, the person who is shaheed, the person who dies of the stomach illness is also shaheed, and there are so many other categories of shaheeds. Because this is what the Holy Prophet ﷺ has said, and it might be because while drowning, he might be struggling hard to save his life and he could not. This is why he might be seeking Allah's help and forgiveness, but ultimately he drowned and died. So Allah Ta'ala may forgive him, but the main thing is that he should be a mu'min. He should be the person who is obeying the commandments of Allah and is a good believer. Not that a kafir who does not believe in Allah Ta'ala and then while drowning he says, "Oh Allah, save me," then no, he is not a shaheed. Right? The condition is if you are a good believer and then if you die because of you have drowned in the river or somewhere in the water, then of course Allah Ta'ala says, yes, you are a shaheed. Right? But the condition is that you have to be a good believer. Right? That is what the Holy Prophet ﷺ has said.